Today's national lead, a climbing death toll after Hurricane Matthew. Haiti is now reporting 473 people killed in last week's storm. That number still expected to rise as authorities begin to identify victims. In the U.S., 29 storm-related deaths, 19 killed in North Carolina alone, most from drownings. The state is now dealing with a flooding emergency. All the water from the hurricane's rain now rushing downhill and then flooding towns in the process. I want to go live to CNN's Polo Sandoval. He is in Lumberton, North Carolina. So, Polo, new evacuation orders are apparently underway for some of these towns.
And this is why, Jim, you mentioned that all that rainwater that was dumped by Hurricane Matthew on the region is now pouring into those rivers and eventually into people's neighborhoods. Mind you, it has been almost 1 week since Hurricane Matthew slammed the region here, and yet neighborhoods look more like rivers. You can see this is here in the town of Lumberton, and at this point, all of these homes still at least partially underwater. We have seen officials come and go here. A majority of the people here were evacuated early on. The last person who decided to ride out the floods was eventually evacuated just a short while ago. It was an individual who lived just down the street. Some neighbors actually came out here to help him leave here. What we have seen are officials go door to door in a very methodical way, and they are essentially checking into windows, through windows, and even forcing open some doors to make sure that there's nobody inside. If the house is empty, then they'll tie a small piece of yellow caution tape to the door, an indication that the house is clear. Many of the people here woke up this morning to some of that devastating news that 2 additional residents were now confirmed dead, bringing the death toll close to 19 here in North Carolina, over half of the total death toll in the southeastern United States, Jim.
And Polo, I know you spent time at a shelter there in Lumberton. What did you see?
Yeah. Spirits are high there, but it is an extremely heartbreaking scene. We shared that there's about 250 people or so in a gym there, not far from where we're standing right now. Men, women, and children, people there are really holding on to prayer and hope that they will eventually be able to finally return home to be able to see what, if anything, they can actually salvage. And what really adds insult to injury here is that so many of the people that I spoke to in some of those shelters, Jim, there were already people living with extremely limited means in government housing, and yet they lost what little they already had. But at the same time, as we mentioned, their spirits are high, and they have high hopes that eventually they will be able to return home someday.
Well, we wish them the best. The effects last a long time after flooding like that. Polo Sandoval, thank you.